What's up, YouTube? I'm at my parents' condo in Florida for part of my winter break. And back in May of this year, my dad flew down here to take the old Honda Pilot and Ford Mustang GT to Carmax. So yep, after about 10 years of having those two cars down here, we decided to retire them. Then, just about a month and a half ago, in early November, I believe, my dad flew back down here, this time to buy two new cars to replace the two cars we had previously for whenever we come down to this condo. So this video is going to be all about me showing you guys those two new cars. So let's take a look. Let's open up the garage. Also turn on the light. So here they are. As you can see, we got two new Fords. A Ford Expedition and a Ford Mustang GT convertible California Special Edition. These are both brand spanking new with less than 500 miles on them. I can't remember the exact model years for each of these. I think the Expedition is either a 2020 or a 2021 model year, and then the Mustang is either a 21 or a 22 model year. So yeah, I'm going to start with the Mustang. So you can see that badge right there. Looks like it has Pirelli P0 tires. You can see the brake caliper, the rims, the wheels, in addition to the tires. This car actually has a remote start, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Here's the key. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. So you press this button 2 times. Oh yeah, and also you got to make sure the car is locked. There we go. Sorry for that hiccup. Alright. Decently loud. I'd say it's louder than the last one we had. Alright. This car has 356.3 miles on it. All right, I'm gonna roll down the windows. You might as well go and put the top down too. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Navigation. Got your handbrake. Alright, I'm gonna flip on the hazards and also open up the hood latch. So it honks whenever the ignition's on and take the key out of the car. Oops! Do not want to do that. Look at the headlights. Alright, let's pop up the hood. Alright, so it's got the 5.0 liter V8 just like the old Mustang, since this is the GT. All right. Walk back here real quick. Show you guys the taillights. I'd say they're decently bright. All right, let's go ahead and shut this guy off. Okay, now for the Expedition. Here's the key for it. So the Expedition has, what does that say? Toyo open country tires. All right, let's head on in. See, this car has 357.7 miles currently, so it's got almost the exact same mileage as the Mustang. All right, start it up. All right, I'm gonna shut this and roll the windows down. It's also got a sunroof. All right, flip on them hazards and open up the hood. If I can find, there it is. Also, make sure the lights are running. It's on automatic. Let's flip it to here, just in case. So this does the same thing as the Mustang. There we go. Okay. I want to say this has the 3.5 liter or the 3.6 liter V6, probably the same engine as my mom's old Expedition that she used to have. I could be wrong. I'll double check just to be sure. All right. Take a look at the headlights. It's a bit difficult having like a front view of these cars because this garage is a bit tight. Walk around to the back. All right. Okay. I'm gonna open up the trunk real quick on this. I'm gonna put these seats down. Just like that. You also got buttons to do just the left side or the right side. All right, close this back up. I'll show you guys the trunk space on the Mustang real quick. All right. There you go. All right, so this Expedition is the XLT. It is not quite as high of a trim level as my mom's old one, and it's also not the extended wheelbase model, unlike that one. Yeah. some of you guys recall, my mom used to have a 2017 Ford Expedition EL, the extended wheelbase model, platinum in black. And that was the previous generation one. And now we have this down here, the current generation one, XLT, in the regular length. And then, of course, I'd say this Mustang is a bit of an upgrade from our old one, since it's the California Special Edition. And I think, even though it has the same engine, I think it's a little bit louder, and I think it's also a bit faster too. So yeah, all right, really quick, I can show off my car real quick. Here's the key. All right, I'm gonna remote start it. Okay. Give you guys a little update on my car. Figured why not. See, my car has 22,330 miles on it currently. Of course, that's a lot higher than it was when I last updated you guys on this car. In fact, I actually recorded whenever this car reached 10,000 and 20,000 miles, so I think I'll go ahead and show you guys those right now. And just like that, my car has reached 10,000 miles. Yep. Today is Friday, June 11th, 2021. Current local time is 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I am driving on Ohio Route 315 South, the main access freeway / road to OSU, Ohio State University. I'm currently on my way to deliver a DoorDash order, which is actually near OSU campus, so I'll be exiting off the freeway soon. I'm gonna let this car in. Probably keep recording until this reaches 10,001 miles. Yep, there you go. Only took about 10 months to reach, for this car to reach 10,000 miles. So that would put it about 1,000 mile average a month. Although I've been driving it a lot more ever since I got back up to Central Ohio. So yep, that's it for this video. So yeah, it is Sunday, September 19th, 2021, and my car has just reached 20,000 miles. I forgot to record whenever it actually changed from 19,999 miles to 20,000 miles, but yep, it took about 3 months. Yeah, because this car reached 10,000 miles in June, so yeah, took about 3 months, maybe a little over 3 months, give or take, for this car to go from 10,000 miles to 20,000 miles. Although ever since I first started school last month, I've been driving it a lot less than in the summer. But yep, I'll probably keep recording until this reaches 20,001 miles. I'm just driving around Melbourne, Florida, around my near my college. All right, there you have it. All right. So I think I'll quickly explain why the mileage is so high. That's mostly because of last summer. Because last summer, I was kind of all over the place. Because I went on few big trips, and I was also, you know, kind of driving all across different parts of Ohio throughout the summer. So I was doing a lot of driving last summer, and also combined with the fact I was working for DoorDash and Uber Eats, that only added to the number of miles on this car. Now, during the rest of the year while I'm in school, I've been driving it a lot less. So ever since I started school in August, I've been driving this probably nowhere near as much as I was in the summer. But I imagine once next summer starts, I'll probably be picking up driving on this again. Alright, I think that's just about it for this video. So, yep. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And peace out.